What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Hope you enjoyed the intro. Just decided to do something a little bit different, but it arrived this morning. S26 Ultra in Silver Shadow, or as I'm now nicknaming it, Shady Silver. So Shady Silver is here, looks absolutely fantastic. So this is the online exclusive colour. I decided to go for this year. I've done it, I think, for the S24 Ultra. I went for the silvery colour during that time. This time I decided I'll do another online exclusive. I did go through O2 and stuff like that a couple of years ago. Just wasn't for me. This is the way forward. Bought direct from Samsung. I did get a bit of a discount on it. Also, he gave me the 512GB version over the 256, as that was what you were going to get if you went for the pre-order. So I went for the pre-order, I got the 512. Now I'm excited it's here. I've got a ton of cases to get through. I am, however, going to go ahead and just get it all set up and ready to go. But I've got cases galore, I've got accessories, I've got screen protectors. Even though it's got the new privacy screen on it, still want to put a screen protector on it. It won't be a privacy one this year. As you know, I am the king of privacy screen protectors. That's the all I seem to do on the channel. This year we're going for something different, so that'll be coming in the next couple of days or so. We're going to blast through a full load of videos now. I've got a ton to get you to get you all through, and I'm looking forward to bringing you all. But let me go ahead, set all this up, and I'll be back. And then we'll end the video, and then there'll be a case video, screen protectors. There's more stuff still arriving daily at the moment. But let me go ahead and set this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so just put the Wi-Fi and stuff like that in. It's now just doing its thing. It's restarting for the network details. So now we're all signed in with Wi-Fi. I'll set it up with my own email, etc., because it'll be my phone. This is what I'm going to be using. I have said goodbye to the Fold 7, which is unfortunate, but unfortunately I'll have to make way for this. I do still have the iPhone Air. We have got a couple of videos coming with that. But here now, this is what I was saying in the last few videos. This is now where I want to take some time and I want to review phones as well. So as well as you bringing you guys some accessories and stuff like that you can buy, giving you the best deals you can do and stuff like that, I want to tell you a bit about the phone and what it can do and how it incorporates into my daily setup and daily life as well, but how these are going to help me copy apps and data, transfer apps from a Google account and more. Let's see whether I sign in. You can't use other device. Okay, so if I sign in with Google, I need to turn that clicker off as well. Not a big fan of that. But that was something new I've never seen before. So that was saying I changed my password and stuff, and I didn't, but it's got a passkey on now with using Apple devices. So I've just got in, really simple. There is a backup there from the Fold 7. Confirm yours, the Fold 7 screen lock. See if that works. Restore apps, call history, etc. So we'll restore the data. See what it comes back with. Protect your phone. So let's go PIN. So 194. Use Google as my preferred search engine. Meet Gemini Assistant. I do have Gemini Pro already. Turn it on. It's restoring. So there we go. So we'll leave that restoring now, and that's quite a wobble it's got there. It's getting your phone ready. It's already gone into dark mode, which is exactly what I like. Prefer it in dark mode. So it's gonna ask me to sign in again. No. Might be straightforward though with me already being signed in. Let's see. Don't really want to use Bixby, to be honest. Unfortunately I have to just set it up for now. Get started. I'll skip for now. I'll put all this on later. Don't have any backups yet. Okay, auto blocker, agree, dark mode. No. Yeah, go on, I'll take Bixby out. I'll set everything up later properly. But you're all set up. Home. wallpaper's gone to crap. All set up. Now I'm going to get this set up the way that I want to have it set up. So I'm going to take some time to do that. I'm not going to bore you guys with doing it. There'll be a what's on my S26 Ultra video coming soon. If that's what you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Did you pick up an S26 Ultra? Have you received yours today? As I say, mine came with the pre-order, so I managed to get it for the 6th. There was a couple of more things in the order as well which haven't arrived. They've now been delayed. I was hoping to bring you them. I was bringing one of the first to bring it to you, but unfortunately it looks like that's going to be a bit of a miss. So not to worry, there'll be plenty of videos still to come. I've got, as I say, a ton of cases, screen protectors, you name it, it's coming to you guys. But let me know what you think of the shady silver. Was this a colour you would have went for yourself, or is the new ultraviolet or the black or whatever something you would go for yourself? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching this quick unboxing and setup of the new S26 Ultra. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. I am in talks with different brands right now to bring you guys more cases. So let me know if there's anything out there you'd like to see with the S26 Ultra that you may be thinking about picking up, but you want to see it first. So let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. But drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. See you soon, guys.